Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Margiey. If you don't know, I make videos on natural hair care, DIYs, and pretty much everything in between really. I've not posted or uploaded a video on my channel in the longest time. I think the last video I uploaded was like 2 months ago, and I have good reason for that. I was in the process of finishing my final year in architecture school, which I did successfully, might I add. Anyway, so now I'm officially ready to get back onto posting on YouTube consistently. I'm keeping my schedule of 1 video a week, so I'll be posting on Thursdays in the morning. I'm not sure what time yet. Be sure to click on the bell so that you're notified when I do post. Kind of feel like this is a fresh start for me in a way. So for my first video back, I decided to just take a moment and just give a big welcome to all the new guys that have joined this space. We are officially over 20k subscribers, and as you can see from my face, I'm so happy and grateful for all the support. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and for those of you who have been subscribed since, you know, back then, thank you for sticking it out. You guys are the real OGs, and yeah, thank you so much for just being in this space and believing in my journey, and I hope that we continue to grow. I also am promising to post or upload or share a lot more quality content every single week, so do subscribe. Also, let me just put this in here. A bunch of my viewers, well, most people who watch my videos are not even subscribed, so that doesn't even make sense to me. I mean, if you're gonna watch my videos, or if you're gonna watch 1, 2, or all of my videos, you might as well just subscribe. I'm just saying. As you guys know, I've not been very experimental with my hair. I'm a very conservative natural. I pretty much stick to the basics, but I am ready to branch out, maintain the basics, but I'm ready to try out a lot more new different things with my hair, like different tools, different techniques, different products. So you guys will be seeing a lot more of that here on the channel. And then what else? Different styles. I mean, I'm just ready. With that said, I just wanted to say hi and thank you and welcome, and I hope you stick around, and I will see you guys on the next one.